In today's energy markets, I want to focus on WTI. WTI reestablishing an uptrend here today after a couple days of sideways to downward, slight downward pressure. We are seeing WTI higher on the day. When you look at the trend, the short-term trend really going back to early October, we continue to see this uptrend, what appears to be firmly in place from those October lows, and now pushing up right around the 57.25 level, and that is the top end of the range for the last week or so. And when you look at some of the things that were being priced into the market today, I think you got to look at the EIA report that came out today. Now, EIA report came out and indicated that we're seeing production in the U.S. continuing to push up, over 13 million barrels per day last month, again continuing to push to record highs, and that's even with the rig counts being reduced. But I think you have to look at the efficiencies, the ability for the extraction of shale and its refining ability, and I think all those efficiencies continuing to play out in the marketplace. So even though we're seeing rig counts declining the last several months, we're still seeing production here in the United States holding up at a significant level. And with that, we also had a report today from OPEC, and OPEC indicating that they really don't see any global slowdown and they don't see any risk of a recessionary type of environment moving forward as long as the trade situation continues to progress in the positive direction, that they still feel that demand will hang in there, at least for the short term, moving into 2020. And I think when that news came out this morning, we did see crude and WTI and Brent both rally on that news breaking. And so the general trends, I think, are just the fact that the economic structure appears to be stabilizing, possibly trending higher. I know the longer term projections are still a little bit disappointing when you look at the crude space, but I think that's now being priced out and the market's starting to focus on some of the shorter term aspects. And when you look at the demand initiatives here, and you have OPEC definitely moving towards that IPO, and I think they're going to try to talk up the crude space as we move towards that IPO. A couple of those factors playing into the price structure today and pushing WTI up to the near high levels here for the last couple of months.